Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learn English via English Stories. Today's story is filled with mystery, secrets, and suspense. Get ready for The Voice Behind the Door. Listen carefully and try to understand every sentence. You'll improve your English as you get lost in the story. It was a cold, rainy evening in November when Alex moved into the old house on Pine Street. He had just gotten a new job in a small town and needed a place quickly. The house was cheap, too cheap. But Alex didn't ask questions, he just needed somewhere quiet. The landlord, Mr. Willis, was an old man with tired eyes. "Just one thing," he said as he handed Alex the keys. "Don't open the basement door." Alex blinked. "Why not?" Mr. Willis looked away. "Just don't. Trust me." Alex laughed nervously. "Okay, I won't." He didn't mean it. The first night in the house was peaceful. The rain tapped on the windows like soft fingers, and the wind whispered through the trees. Alex unpacked, made some tea, and tried to relax. But around midnight, he heard something. A voice, soft, whispering, coming from behind the basement door. At first, Alex thought it was the wind, or maybe the old pipes, but the sound grew louder. "Help me, please!" He froze. It sounded like a woman's voice, weak and desperate. Alex grabbed a flashlight and crept down the hallway toward the basement. He touched the doorknob. It was cold, ice cold. He pressed his ear against the door. Silence. Then suddenly, bang! A loud knock from the other side. Alex jumped back, his heart pounding. The next morning, Alex asked Mr. Willis about the noise. "There's no one down there," Mr. Willis said flatly. "Don't ask again." But now, Alex was curious. He searched the house for a key to the basement, but found nothing. That night, the voice returned. "Please, help me, I'm trapped." Alex couldn't ignore it anymore. He grabbed a crowbar and forced the door open. It groaned loudly as it opened, revealing a dark staircase. The air was thick with dust, and something else. Something rotten. He stepped down slowly, one step at a time. "Hello?" he called out. No answer. At the bottom of the stairs was a small, windowless room. Shelves lined the walls. In the center was a chair, and in the chair was a tape recorder. Alex walked over and pressed play. "Help me, please. I'm trapped." It was the same voice. Suddenly, he heard footsteps behind him. He spun around. No one was there. Then, the basement door slammed shut. Alex ran up the stairs and pushed. But it wouldn't open. The voice started again, but this time it came from all around him. "You shouldn't have come down here." The lights went out. Total darkness. Alex banged on the door, shouted for help. No one came. Then, he heard breathing, right next to him. He turned on the flashlight and saw a face. Pale, hollow eyes. A woman. She whispered, "Now you know my story, and you can't leave." Outro. What happened to Alex? Did he escape the basement? Or is he still trapped there, listening to the voice forever? Some say the house on Pine Street is empty. Others say they still hear voices at night. Thanks for listening to this story on Learn English through English Stories. If you liked this story, like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling stories in English that will improve your vocabulary and listening skills. Until next time, stay curious and stay safe.